Welcome back to our channel. Blake Lively just took over Texas like a cowboy in designer heels. While most of us are still trying to decide between watching Love is Blind or true crime documentaries we'll regret before bed, Blake is out here multitasking like an absolute queen, balancing a movie premiere, a legal battle, and most importantly, making sure her outfit is more iconic than the plot twists we didn't see coming. Seriously, she pulled up to South by Southwest looking like a bubblegum supervillain, and we are living for it. If looks could kill, that pink latex dress would have already overthrown a small government. Meanwhile, Kendrick is serving some serious mysterious shade energy, like the human embodiment of a passive-aggressive text. And then there's Justin Baldoni, who somehow found himself in the middle of the most expensive text message war in Hollywood history. At this point, someone needs to turn this lawsuit into a movie because the drama is already giving Oscar-worthy chaos. A red carpet moment so tense it could cut glass? An audience reaction so wild Blake Lively compared it to a rock concert? We have everything here. Drama, fashion, courtroom battles, and possibly even a sequel to A Simple Favor, which, let's be honest, should just be called a complicated lawsuit. So grab your popcorn, cancel your plans, and get ready to deep dive into Hollywood's latest whirlwind of lawsuits, latex, and legendary shade. Because at this point, even the scriptwriters of reality couldn't make this stuff up. Blake Lively expressed her gratitude for fans after she stepped out to the South by Southwest premiere of her new film, Another Simple Favor, amid her ongoing legal battle with Justin Baldoni. On Tuesday, the actress took to Instagram to share photos from the star-studded event over the weekend, including several of herself with co-stars Kendrick and Michelle Morone. Watching A Simple Favor opening night South by Southwest felt like a rock concert, she captioned the photo dump. Thank you to the very best audience. Texas turns it out. Making this movie was already the gift, every element of it, Lively, 37, added. To share it with you all and feel the love return to us was the best feeling. Thank you for having us, Austin. Eyewitnesses told that the Gossip Girl, Alum, appeared unbothered while walking the red carpet at the Paramount Theater in Austin on Friday night. She stunned in a show-stopping pink latex gown from Renee Masumian and styled her long blonde locks half up. We're told Lively was seen taking selfies with fans inside the theater before taking a seat alongside Morone. There appeared to be tension at the weekend event between the Age of Adeline star and Kendrick, 39, after the latter responded to what it meant to be working with Lively on the 2018 A Simple Favor sequel. Oh, you know, the pitch-perfect star said before walking off. However, the movie's director Paul Feig denied rumors the co-stars appeared uncomfortable with each other at the event. Lively made an appearance at South by Southwest after filing a lawsuit against Baldoni in December 2024, alleging he sexually harassed her while filming their 2024 drama, It Ends With Us. She also accused the actor/director of creating a smear campaign to ruin her career. Baldoni, however, denied the allegations and filed a bombshell $400 million defamation lawsuit against Lively and her husband, Ryan Reynolds. The Jane the Virgin star has also attempted to save his reputation by releasing a website with alleged text message exchanges with Lively. The duo will hash out their feud in court in March 2026. And that wraps up today's video. Blake Lively's appearance at South by Southwest definitely made headlines, and it's clear she's staying focused on her work despite the ongoing legal drama. Whether it's her show-stopping fashion, the buzz around Another Simple Favor, or the rumored tension with Kendrick, there's no shortage of things to talk about. What do you guys think? Do you believe the rumors about Blake and Anna's rocky relationship, or is it all just media speculation? And how do you feel about the legal battle between Blake and Justin Baldoni? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you have to say. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching.